Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Dream Cars. Have a nice time. The 2026 Toyota Pixis Space is expected to continue its role as a practical and stylish K car perfect for urban driving with a compact yet spacious design. With Toyota's commitment to efficiency and safety, the new Pixis Space will likely offer updated technology, enhanced fuel economy and a refined driving experience while maintaining its boxy space-efficient profile. Refreshed and functional design. The exterior of the 2026 Pixis Space is likely to embrace a mix of modern and retro styling elements, making it both practical and visually appealing. Boxy yet sleek silhouette for optimal interior space. LED headlights and tail lights for improved visibility. Redesigned front grille and bumpers for a modern aesthetic. Sliding rear doors for easier access in tight city spaces. Dual tone color options to enhance personalization. Its K-car proportions ensure excellent maneuverability while providing surprising interior space for passengers and cargo. Efficient and eco-friendly powertrain. Toyota will likely equip the new Pixis Space with advanced fuel-saving technologies while keeping its K-car compliance intact. Expected powertrain options include 660 cubic centimeters 3-cylinder petrol engine with enhanced efficiency, mild hybrid system, possible variant for improved fuel economy, CVT transmission for smooth acceleration and easy driving, fuel efficiency of around 25 to 30 km/L, making it highly cost-effective. This setup will ensure a balance of performance and economy, perfect for city commutes and daily errands. Smart and comfortable interior. Despite its compact footprint, the 2026 Pixis Space will maximize cabin space with clever engineering. Key interior features might include 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, digital instrument cluster for a modern cockpit feel, foldable and sliding rear seats to create a flexible cargo area, soft touch materials and upgraded upholstery for a premium feel, ample storage compartments for everyday convenience. With a spacious cabin layout, the new Pixis Space will offer comfort for both driver and passengers while being highly adaptable for various needs. Enhanced safety and technology. Toyota is expected to equip the Pixis Space with essential safety features, ensuring a secure driving experience. Potential features include Toyota Safety Sense Suite with pre-collision warning, lane departure alert and adaptive cruise control for added convenience, rear view camera and parking sensors for urban maneuverability, ABS with EBD and electronic stability control for secure handling, multiple airbags for improved passenger safety. These features will make the Pixis Space one of the safest K cars in its segment. Expected price and release date. The 2026 Toyota Pixis Space is expected to be priced between 1.4 million yen and 1.8 million yen, approximately $10,000 to $13,000 USD depending on the variant and features. Official reveal is expected in late 2025, market launch in early 2026. With its blend of retro modern design, efficient powertrain and smart technology, the 2026 Pixis Space will be a top contender in Japan's K-car segment. Disclaimer: this is a fan-made and speculation based on rumors. Official specifications may differ once Toyota announces the actual model. The 2026 Toyota Pixis Space has been revealed as a compact, smart, and ultra-efficient vehicle designed for urban driving. With its compact dimensions and intelligent design, it's built for tight city streets while offering surprising interior space and comfort. The vehicle is perfect for those looking for a fuel-efficient, eco-friendly option without compromising on functionality. Packed with the latest technology and safety features, the Pixis Space is perfect for those seeking an easy-to-drive and convenient car that fits into the modern, fast-paced lifestyle. Stay tuned for more information on pricing and availability. Perfect for individuals and small families, the 2026 Toyota Pixis Space is set to revolutionize compact urban cars with its balance of style, performance, and eco-friendliness. Stay tuned for the official release and availability details. Please share and like and subscribe to our channel Dream Cars for more updates. VIP Cars. Thanks for watching and enjoying videos.